that just happened.
Looks like it got hit by something.
Alright, Intercooler decided to go ejectocito. RIP.
What is it?
Alright, well, got that fresh intercooler here. New. Old trash. Gonna get that mounted soon. Right now I'm going to pull the front bumper off so I can get some easier access to it. Alright, front bumper is off. As you can see, the intercooler pipe got crushed. That one. And also, this one's crushed as well. But we got a pipe expander. Gonna try to stick it in there and open it back up. But here's a new fresh one. These are the two bolts that hold it up top. They must have just came loose and it fell out, but we're gonna do some lower bolts along with the top ones. So, and also redoing the oil and the coolant lines because this oil feed it's bleeding through it and it's smoking. So we're gonna redo all those lines. And then also gonna do which I've already said before, but gonna take off the blast pipes and put a 4-inch tip on this thing. See if I can make it sound a little bit more rowdy. Even though I love the way it sounds now, but I've just had the blast pipes forever. So I wanna put a 4-inch tip on there and see how it sounds. All right guys, got a brand new intercooler on there with upper and lower mounts on it, so should be good to go as far as that goes. Pulling off all the turbo lines, gonna replace them. They've been on there for a few years, so gonna replace those crunchy things. All right, old crusty lines out, new fresh lines made, oil drain in the process. This V-band was completely destroyed, so put a new one on there. As you can see, I'd be scraping because of low life. I'm not even gonna worry about fixing that because I don't care. Gonna be taking off the blast pipes, putting a 4-inch tip on there. I can't fab. I can somewhat weld. So Jonathan's I told him I wanted to try to weld it myself, so I'll let him work his magic and get it all tacked up, and I'll go blow some holes through it. I'll keep you guys posted. All right guys, here's the old blast pipes, ISR. Jonathan started tacking up the new one for me to go in and finish those welds. I'm gonna probably be blowing some holes through this bitch. But oh well, only way to learn, right? All right guys, Jonathan's got the exhaust tip all fabbed up, tacked up, ready for me to mess it up. Hopefully I don't do too terrible, but if I do, I'll let him fix it. So the only way I'm gonna get better is by practicing. All right guys, I got my nice Harbor Freight helmet. And I'm gonna start trying to weld this. I don't know. I'm gonna try the easy ones first. I'm gonna try to do this one first. This was my other booger weld from when I put it on the 14. But that was a whole debacle, but whatever. I can do better, hopefully. We'll see. guys, here we go. Not terrible. I need to adjust my mask because I was getting blinded. But basically, I'm not going to show me doing all this crap. I'll just show you how it looks when I'm done. See how it goes. Alright guys, this is it. Completely welded out. I don't know what happened there. I got whatever in the end. I don't know, but this is it. Completely welded out. Not the prettiest, but this is how you learn, right? So, I don't know if I can. But completely welded. Yeah, I definitely touched the tungsten a couple times, but we'll clean that up and move on to the next part. I think I'll probably start this one next. I'm having fun though. That's all that matters. I got my teacher over here told me that I've been fucking up because I don't modulate the throttle, guys. I'm foot to the floor the whole time. Ramos told me about modulating up and down, but I don't have that control. I'm too focused on trying to stay straight with here and not touch. So we turned the temperature down. He said basically it's going way too hot. And I noticed there's a lot of sugar on the inside. God damn. But whatever, guys. It's I'm learning. So we're gonna try a lower temperature, and that way I can just stay wide open, and maybe the welds will not be like so sunken in, and it'll be penetrating more like above the top. So see how that goes for this one. This one I got a little bit more of a gap, so I'll probably do worse. All right, the welds look a lot better on this. Jonathan had to help. There was a couple holes that I didn't feel like making worse, so he closed up a couple holes, but it looks a lot better. He's giving me some tips on my speed and angle and stuff to try to just make them look a lot better. I feel a lot more confident in this temperature and speed than this one. Not that that's terrible, but I think this one looks a lot better. I'm gonna try, I guess this one now. So I'll show you how that looks when it's done. All right, guys. Jonathan had to help me do this here because when I was welding the backside, it pulled a decent gap, and I didn't want to mess it up, so I let him do that side. But this, sorry, won't focus. This is all me. Sorry, I won't focus. This is all me. Sorry about it focusing funny, but I just have to do this last one here and the one, the V-band. So I'm gonna get started on this one. Show you how it looks when it's all done. All right, guys, this is by far my best weld yet. I'm so happy with this one. Just have this last one here on the V-band, need to weld, and it'll be all welded out. Throw it on the car. I'm stoked about how this one turned out. All right, guys, that's it. Completely welded out. That's how good it's gonna get. Pretty proud given my experience level, but it's all done. Now let it cool down, throw it on the car. I should have done like a before and after with the 3-inch blast pipes to the 4-inch, but I mean, you guys have heard that car a million times, so no need to. But I did 98% of this, so I'm pretty happy about that. As far as welding goes, I didn't fab it, but the welding I did 98% of it, so I'm happy about that. Throw it in the car and we'll do a sound clip.
All right, got that new 4-inch tip.
All installed. Welded by yours truly. All right. All right, guys, R-Beast is done. I just got to throw the front bumper back on and do a few street rips in it. See how it sounds with the new exhaust. Probably gonna sound the same, but still, I just want to rip it anyway. All right, front bumper's back on. Do some rips. Alright guys, I hope you like a few of those pulls. Good old trusty R-Beast. I love this car. Beautiful day in Florida. Good little run. That was fun. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the little street tuning in the R-Beast. I don't know what I'm gonna do next with this car, but I'm sure I'll figure out something. So that's gonna be all for this video. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think about good old Trusty here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.